Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 5 best soil moisture meters in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our top pick is Sonkir Soil pH Meter MS02. The Sonkir 3-in-1 unit has a dual probe. One of the stems tests soil pH, the other tests moisture. As long as it's cleaned between tests, it will give a good range. Again, you won't have pinpoint accuracy here, but it's a good baseline. It also has a light detecting sensor. Place it in your garden and give it a couple minutes, and it'll tell you an estimated level of the current sunlight. This can help you determine where to plant those plants that prefer partial sun or indirect bright lighting. Key features. This soil tester cannot be applied to test the pH value of any other liquid. If the soil is too dry, the indicator will not move, and water it before testing. Test soil moisture, pH value, and sunlight level of the plant with this soil meter. Helps you specialize in grasping when you need to water your plant. Double needle detection technology strongly enhances the speed and accuracy of detecting and analyzing soil moisture and pH acidity. No batteries needed, just insert the sensor probe into soil, toggle switch to test moisture, pH, sunlight you would like to measure. Designed to be lightweight and portable, easy to carry around for outdoor use, ideal soil test toolkit for home plants, garden, lawn, and farm. Number 2. Our second best pick is XLUX T10 Soil Moisture Meter. This device is very basic in design, but works for the task. Its readout rates the soil's ambient moisture on a scale from 1 to 10. Levels 1 to 3 are considered dry. 4 to 7 are moist, and 8 to 10 are wet. With the XLUX model, you won't get pinpoint accuracy. For the average home gardener, high levels of accuracy aren't required, though. It'll help you gauge when it's next time to water. Key features. Sensing probe ensures accurate and instant testing results, matching for both indoor or outdoor use. Large and clear dial, including 10 scales, plug and read. Simply insert the moisture meter into soil and you'll get the test result instantly. Help your plants grow healthy and strong. Single probe, less hurt to the roots, doesn't dig up too much soil after the test. Important tips. 1. Do not use it to test very hard soil. 2. Never use it to test water or other liquid. Designed for testing soil only. 3. After use, please wipe the probe clean. Number 3. Our third best pick is REOTEMP Garden and Compost Moisture Meter. Lengths ranging from 15 to 48 inches are available. The longer options are phenomenal at gauging the dampness of the interior of your compost pile. They're also helpful at checking deep moisture for fruit trees. Like the XLUX, the REOTEMP model has a scale of 1 to 10. Lower numbers indicate drier soil. With this model, it's best to aim at 50% moisture for most compost piles. A range of 40 to 60% is good for the majority of plants. Key features. Easy to operate for home composting, gardening, schools and AMP, community programs. Rugged stainless steel construction. Long 15-inch stem with thick 5 by 16-inch diameter. User calibratable, 0 to 10 wetness scale. Instant readings powered by one AAA battery, included. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is ECOWITT WH0291 Soil Moisture Tester. Are you looking for something which can remain in the soil at all times? Do you want the convenience of digital reading? This strange little device can provide both. Pop the ECOWITT WH0291's waterproof sensor into your garden bed, and then install the LCD display where you can easily check it. The sensor will continually track the soil moisture and will tell you at a glance where things stand. I'm not going to claim that this is the best option for all people because it's not. But if you've got one plant that you're really trying to keep happy, or you have one garden bed in operation, this may be the perfect answer to keeping tabs on things. Key features. Measures soil moisture content within 72 seconds to let you know when to water your plant. With a lovely flower pot icon to directly display the moisture level, it is easy to read. Waterproof moisture sensor can be used for indoor-outdoor potted plants, lawn, garden, and more. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is General Tools DSMM500 Precision Digital Soil Moisture Meter. What if you want something that can pinpoint your exact moisture level? People who grow finicky plants might. And for that purpose, we've got the General Tools DSMM500. It's expensive, but can give you a very accurate measurement from 0 to 50% soil moisture. It stores some data as well. Be forewarned, though, it's not as accurate in heavy clay soils. Key features. Designed to measure moisture content of soil, ideal for commercial, agricultural, and professional use. Features heavy-duty 8-inch probe, has minimum/maximum memory and data hold. IP65 water resistance, CE and RoHS approved. Sampling time 0.8 seconds, power source is 4 AAA batteries, not included. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.